Hey, what is going on YouTube? Weston Nelson here from the CryptoCave. I wanted to upload a quick video today to show you how to actually sign up for the CryptoCave step by step, simple, kind of quick tutorial. We just launched. We already have members in our community, which is fantastic. We were just, I guess, not ready for people to join so fast, so I wanted to make sure we get this up so it's clear as to the steps you need to take to get in. So number one, where we live right now, the CryptoCave is a global virtual community of people who are interested in trading crypto, sharing ideas, and really dedicated to just the enabling power of blockchain technology. So just to give you an overview of kind of what we are. And so we're a membership community, and right now we live in Discord, which is an incredible platform, really, as far as getting communities together. So the first thing you need to have, and I'm actually doing this on a mobile device because we found that half our users are on mobile, half are on desktop. So it's the same process either way. If you were on desktop, you would download the Windows or Mac version or Linux. I think they have Linux, whichever one you're on. And then if you're on a smartphone, I use Android. I like my Samsung, so I'd be downloaded from Google Play. It would take me to this right here. It's already showing installed, of course, on my device because I have it, but you just install it. And then you'd create your Discord account, which I believe just requires, username, email. I think they verify your phone number, which is good for security, or your email, verify your email. And then once you have an account, all you have to do is, quite simply, well, you got a few ways to access it. Number one, you could head over to my Twitter handle. I'm always trying to share updates on what is going on in the market. That link right there, discord.gg, you click that, that'll take you right to the sign up page. Let's try it actually. Here. See what happens. Right there, we just got an alert from our bots in the CryptoCave. Let's see, I'm in a Brave browser. It's gonna take me to Discord. I'm doing this kind of on the fly, by the way, just to make sure the user experience is good. I am on a mobile connection though, so it's going a little slow. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Perfect. So you click that link. Weston Nelson invited you to CryptoCave. Let's accept the invite. And because I have a Discord account, right? And you're signed in. You would then arrive in our channel. You would actually, yep, that worked flawless. You would end up right here in the CryptoCave, where we talk a little bit about it, what we do, what we're about. Here's a little nice video of myself and Trading Nickels, one of the other, there's three co-founders and partners, me, Trading Nickels, and then Hawk Spirit Weaver. And then this is the info of we've got our main platform, the Gold, which gives you access to all the bots, the alerts, and the channels. And then we've got a kind of a basic and then an upgraded package too, if those interest you. But the main one is just the $29.99 a month. There's another alert we just got in. On a quick side note, I'm finding the whale alerts, that is a bot we have synced with our server, extremely useful in the trading I've been doing. So, but that is the process. Then you would go here to sign up, and as you can see, I've been trying to show kind of little examples, but you're in the server, and we've got it actually configured where you literally type this, upgrade, just like that. Our membership bot is fully integrated with PayPal and Stripe. PayPal seems to actually be the easier version. We might you know, in the future, when you're watching this, we might just stick with that because it seems to work flawlessly. But you type upgrade. Also, if you wanted to cancel, you would just type $ downgrade. We want you in complete control and comfortable knowing, you know, you're not giving away your money to some customer service support that you're not going to be able to get back to, and you're hooked to another subscription service. That's not what we're about. So you would do that, and then this little URL here where it says upgrade your role, you would click that. Discord saying hold up, do you trust where you're going? Confirm yes I do. And then here we are, CryptoCave. Here's your upgrades. And what you do, the way Discord works is it's role based. So you're assigned a role, and based on that role, that's what gives you access to certain categories and channels and to communicate and whatnot. So if you wanted to say just the bots, you know, you don't like people, or maybe you like people, maybe you don't want to communicate with people. You just wanted, you know, all these webhooks and updates on whale trades and, you know, high volatility crypto assets. You could do the $19.99 a month. You still get a free trial for that one. If you the primary one is our gold. That's, you know, $29.99 a month for a global community plus all the bots, everything from the first level. That's kind of the bread and butter. And then we do have the platinum here, which includes our own Cave Intelligence, which is our research, proprietary research, exclusive for members, and then a bi-weekly, twice a month mastermind roundtable where we kind of get together with our members, talk about what's trending, strategies, ideas, etc. So if that's something you want, use that too. But then if you wanted to upgrade, you click upgrade, and it would be, sorry, I'm getting, it's busy time right at market close, getting a lot of alerts. Log in with Discord. I might be doing this, hopefully not on my own account, but yep, we want to allow it to authorize. I'm not, well, you know what, let's just see what happens here. I'm already authorized with the upgrade chat. So, okay, good. This is perfect. So, and like I said, I'm going through this on the fly because I wanted to see what it would be like, and this is actually working pretty nice. So, we also have it where you don't even have to enter your credit card for your 14-day free trial, which is fantastic. We wanted it to be that way because we know this is super valuable. So let's say I wanted to do PayPal or pay with a credit card, which is also like PayPal or Stripe. The free for 14 days is just for the primary membership, the gold, and then also the silver, but not the platinum level. I don't want to click this because, again, I don't want to charge myself, but let's just see. Let's just play around. PayPal. I might have just signed up. Okay, so this is pretty clear then. You would literally just log in with PayPal, and then it would ask if you wanted to pay, and that would be it. But here, I went back to the server, and now I'm back to the URL on the web where the upgrades are available. And let's say I wanted to do credit card. What would that look like? It's thinking. So it looks like, yep, this takes me to our Stripe page. Same scenario. 14 days free, blah blah blah. Powered by Stripe. Yeah. So that's all good and fine and dandy, up and running. And then I also wanted to see the last option, let's say you wanted to just upgrade free for 14 days. You even have to do any. Okay. I did actually. Okay, now I need to go cancel this. I just upgraded myself, but that's how that is how quick and easy it is to join our global virtual community, the CryptoCave. It's an uplifting place. We've designed it to be that way. If it's about crypto trading and learning, but it's also a lot more than that. So if that resonates with you, we'd love to have you join us, and hopefully we'll see you in the chats. Cheers.